Absolutely fantastic, isn't it? And you know, I'm sitting here now in Murray Walker's seat,
yes,
which is a huge privilege.
You're barely worthy, sir. Jenson Button is here in the #1 McLaren Honda, as raced in period by Ayrton Senna and Gerhard Berger. It's the MP4 6. Wonderful machine. And Jenson Button, he's a real Foz favourite, Marcus, isn't he? Comes every year. Loves putting things back into motorsport. He's driven so many different cars on the hill.
Absolutely, drove that 1902 Renault a few years ago, which is incredible. And he's always here. He's always affable, and that is Jenson Button in a nutshell. Brilliant on track, affable off it, and he's chasing Sir Stirling Moss to the top of the hill.
That's a wonderful bit of kit, isn't it? The 3.5-litre V10 Honda Screamer. Not wearing its traditional Marlboro livery, of course, just the McLaren-branded machine. He's got a few seconds left until he gets to the top of the hill, and we will then be able to switch to some more exceptional endeavours, this time in the skies above us at Goodwood's Festival of Speed. Let's go straight up to Mike Ling on the top of Goodwood House and welcome the RAF Red Arrows.